Let's solve this equation together. It says combination. When you see C, it stands for combination. That's a topic known as permutation and combination. And because this Olympiad is going to be a bit confusing, but we're going to walk through it together. It says combination of 5 above and n below, okay, and then 7 multiplied by, okay, combination of 4 above and n below. Now let me teach you guys something quickly before we continue. If we have combination of b below and a above, it is equal to b divided by b minus a factorial a factorial. Alright, so this is what this thing stands for. Hence this would mean, okay, so this will become equal to, so we can say that this is equal to 5, okay, 5cn. It will become equal to n, sorry, this is b factorial, so this will become n factorial divided by n minus 5 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial. This side will become equal to 7 multiplied by n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial 4 factorial. Okay, now you can see we have n factorial on both sides, and on the denominator we have n minus 4 factorial and n minus 5 factorial. Okay, so looking at this, you can see that n factorial can strike out on both sides. All right, now we can now say that this is 1 over n minus 5 factorial 5 factorial to be equal to 7 times 1 is 7 divided by n minus 4 factorial 4 factorial. All right, now at this point you can cross multiply, so we multiply this way and this way, so we have n minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial times 1 would be n minus 4 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial to be equal to 7 factorial, 7 multiplied by n minus 5 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial. Okay, now at this point we can say that we have here n minus 4 factorial 4 factorial. Now let me show you guys something quickly. If we have n factorial will be equal to n, okay, multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by n minus 3, okay, dot 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 multiplied by n minus n factorial. All right, now this will not be any difference, so it means that n minus 4 factorial can be expressed as n minus 4 multiplied by, okay, so we have multiplied by here. Now n minus 4 minus 1 is something as n minus 5, and we can decide to end it here, factorial. All right, multiplied by 4 factorial is equal to 7 multiplied by n minus 5 factorial 5 factorial. All right, let's move on to this side. So moving on from here, we can see that n minus 5 factorial can strike out on both sides, so that what we have remaining is n minus 4 multiplied by 4 factorial to be equal to 7 times 5 factorial. Okay, now the same thing we did here for n, we can do it for this 5 and 4. Now we have n minus 4 multiplied by 4 factorial to be equal to 7 times 5 factorial will be 5 times 5 minus 1 is 4, so we can just write 4 factorial. Now you see that this and this are now the same, so we can strike here and here. Let's bring this in down. We have n minus 4 to be equal to 7 times 5 is 35. All right, Hence our n is now equal to 35 plus 4. N is equal to 39. Alright, now let's test if this our answer is correct. Okay, let's test for our answer. So we've concluded that our n is equal to 39. Let's check if 39 satisfies this equation. Now remember that this becomes, so if this is 39, if n is 39, this will become 39 factorial divided by, okay, 39 minus 5 is 34 factorial times 5 factorial. Alright, 39 factorial is something as 39 times 38 times 37 times 36 times 35 times 34 factorial, okay, divided by 34 factorial times 5 times 4 factorial. Alright, now 34 factorial tries 34 factorial. 5 into 35 is 7. Okay, what we now have left here is equal to 39 times 38 times 37 times 36, okay, all over 4 factorial times 7. Alright, so this is for the left hand side. Now let's check. So write L H S. Let's check for the right hand side. For the right hand side, what we had is, okay, so according to this, for the right hand side, so I'll say for the RHS, would have 7 multiplied by, so we have on this side 39 factorial divided by 39 minus 4 factorial, 4 factorial. Okay, now 39 minus 4 is 35, so we have here 7 multiplied by 39 factorial is the same thing as 39 times 38 times 37 times 36 times 35. Okay, so we have times dot 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 up onto 35 factorial, okay, divided by 39 minus 4 is 35 factorial times 4 factorial. 35 factorial strikes 35 factorial, so that in conclusion our right hand side becomes equal to 7 multiplied by 39 times 38 times 37 times 36 all over 4 factorial. Okay, and then if we check for our left hand side, we got the same answer on the left hand side. Hence you can now conclude that really and truly our n equals 39. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.